This week we'll be learning about landscapes, cityscapes, and seascapes. We will also be reviewing foreground, middle ground, and background. A landscape is a picture of the land. In this picture, you can see that we have a lot of land to look at, big hills, trees. We also have a little bit of water in the middle, but the water takes up less space. So it is a landscape. We also see that we have a foreground, that's what's in the front, a middle ground, that's a little bit further away, and a background. In this case, it's the sky. A cityscape is a picture of a city. In cityscapes, we also have a foreground. In this case, it's the legs of this bridge. Middle ground, it's the buildings that are further away. And background, the buildings that are the furthest away and the sky. Seascapes are pictures of the ocean or the sea. Seascapes can also have a foreground, the rocks that are closest to us with the water. Middle ground, that's where the lighthouse is located. And background, the sky. What kind of scape is this? It is a seascape. It is a picture of the ocean. It is a seascape. Can you find the foreground, middle ground, and background? The foreground is this little bit of hill and some of the sand in the front. Middle ground, we have some hills further back and waves that are further away. And background, the sky, but also these mountains that are very far away. What kind of scape is this? Cityscape. It is a picture of a city. Can you find the foreground, middle ground, and background? The foreground are these people that are walking really close to us. Middle ground are the things that are slightly further away, like the people in the middle or even that wagon. And the background includes that really triangular shaped building. What kind of scape is this? Landscape. Can you find the foreground, middle ground, and background? Foreground has some trees, some grass. Middle ground are all those darker trees that are further away. And background include the mountains and cliffs and sky. We have a couple rules for when you're drawing the sky. First, no corner suns. Draw the whole circle when drawing the sun. Next, no blue line skies. The sky fills up the whole space. It goes all the way down to the ground, which means you need to carefully color around things and take your time. But it will make your picture look so much better if you bring that sky all the way down to meet the ground. So the rules are no corner suns and no blue line skies. And yes to drawing the whole sun and coloring in the whole sky.